And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send audio to WhatsApp status. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about WhatsApp, it does not natively allow audio only files like MP3 to be uploaded directly as a status. So to update status, you need to simply go to the update section and there you can find the option called add status. So as it does not directly allow audio files, you can still share audio to your WhatsApp status by converting it into a video format. So once you tap on the plus bar, you can find an option called voice. So once you're in the voice section, you can simply record the audio that is playing or that you want to post. So if you play the audio with the help of any other device, or if someone sings it, or you can do something like that, then you can simply record the video itself, and this will allow you to simply add audio or send audio to WhatsApp status. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.